Carbamazepine by Maribel Mendoza Gonzalez. Here's a picture of carbamazepine in pill form. There are two reasons why I chose to talk about carbamazepine. One, my older sister takes it to treat her epilepsy seizures. And secondly, I recently learned that my family carries a rare disease called Fabry's disease. And carbamazepine is used to treat the symptoms of it. The molecular structure of carbamazepine. The IUPAC name is 5-HDibenzoazepine 5-carboxamide. The molecular formula is carbon 15, hydrogen 12, nitrogen 2, oxygen. The molecular weight is 236.274 grams per mole. Carbamazepine has one functional group, and that is an amide group. Amide structures have R group that is single bonded to a carbon, which is double bonded to an oxygen, and carbon bonded to a nitrogen, and two other stuff bonded to it. Remember that an R group is an abbreviation for any group in which carbon or hydrogen atom is attached to the rest of the molecule. What is carbamazepine used for? It's used to treat Fabry's disease, a lysosomal storage disorder. It is also used to treat seizures and epilepsy. Both are a type of brain dysfunction that cause episodes of abnormal electrical activity of the brain. The difference between these two is that a seizure is differentiated as a single occurrence, whereas epilepsy is said to be two or more unprovoked seizures. Pain caused by overactive nerve is treated with carbamazepine. There are other disorders that can be treated with carbamazepine, such as bipolar disorder or restless leg syndromes, and the dosage varies from person to person. What is Fabry's disease? Fabry's disease is a lysosomal storage disorder caused by a mutation of the X chromosome. Lysosomes function as a recycling center of the cell. They contain enzymes that break down substances into smaller compounds. A deficiency of the enzyme alpha-galactosidase A may result in a progressive accumulation of globotriaosylceramide in lysosomes, leading to organ and tissue damage and premature death. Some of the symptoms include hearing loss, fatigue, intolerance to physical exertion, gastrointestinal problems, and bothered by sudden temperature changes. As this is a rare disease with a wide range of symptoms, it is frequently misdiagnosed as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, fibromyalgia, and renal disease. How does carbamazepine help with Fabry's disease? Well, it helps by decreasing nerve impulse that cause pain. Now, I may be reaching out on this image to the right, as it depicts an individual who is experiencing burning sensation and it feels like hell. This slide pertains to the second and third article that I read. The top half slide shows a picture of what gingivitis looks like. And carbamazepine can be implicated for causing gingival overgrowth when used for more than 6 months. The bottom half of this slide, I'm talking about the enzyme replacement therapy in patients with Fabry's disease. In conclusion, this article suggests that enzyme replacement treatment can decrease left ventricular hypertrophy and improve regional myocardial function. During this painful process, carbamazepine can be used to help alleviate pain by overactive nerves. And here are my references. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.